Hello everyone, welcome to Luma Slow English. Listen, repeat and learn. Today's topic is about me. Level A1, beginner. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Hello, my name is Anna. I am 25 years old. I live in London, England. London is a big city. There are many people, cars, and buses. I like living in London. It is beautiful and interesting. I have a small apartment. It is on the second floor. My apartment has a kitchen, a living room, a bathroom, and one bedroom. I live alone, but I have a cat. My cat's name is Leo. He is white and gray. He likes to sleep and play. I have a big family. My mother's name is Mary. She is 50 years old. She is a teacher. My father's name is John. He is 52 years old. He is a doctor. I have one brother. His name is Tom. Tom is 20 years old. He is a student. He studies computer science. My family is very kind. We like to spend time together. We eat dinner together every Sunday. I am a student. I study English and business. I go to university every day. I have classes in the morning. In the afternoon, I study at home. I like my teachers. They are very nice. I also have a job. I work in a cafe. I make coffee and tea. I talk to many people every day. I like my job. It is fun. I love food. My favorite food is pizza. I like cheese pizza and pepperoni pizza. I also like pasta and ice cream. Chocolate ice cream is my favorite. I don't like spicy food. It's too hot for me. In the morning, I drink coffee. I eat eggs and toast. For lunch, I eat a sandwich or salad. For dinner, I eat soup or pasta. In my free time, I like to go for a walk. I walk in the park. The park is big and green. There are many trees and flowers. I also read books. I like mystery books. My favorite book is Sherlock Holmes. Sometimes I watch movies. My favorite movie is Harry Potter. It's very exciting. I also listen to music. I like pop music and rock music. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift. I want to learn English. I practice every day. I read books in English. I watch English movies. I listen to English songs. I also speak English with my friends. English is fun and important. Now, tell me about you. Write in the comments. What is your name? Where do you live? What is your favorite food? What do you do in your free time? Listen again and repeat. This was Luma Slow English. See you next time.